Alright, viewers, here's Dayton Lasko fan number 5. This one still has the original plug to it. This one has an issue. The cap, see the plastic little bolt there that would hold it up, has broken off, so you'd have to take it out of there and re-glue it, which isn't a big deal. Besides that, the wheel is still there and everything works. Also noticeable about this one, it has green and purple on the string for some reason. Let's go ahead and put it through its paces though. So, starting off on speed 1. That's the low speed. Speed 2. Already. Last but not least, speed 3. Very forced breathe again. Can't really hear much bearing noise. This one's pretty well. Freed up with the white lithium. So this is Dayton Lasko fan number 5. The numbers only represent the number for each fan. They don't represent like which one's better, which one's worse. It may seem that way. I wasn't trying to, it just kind of happened. So, it is what it is. Like, so this fan's still in good condition. You just gotta get the plastic thread part out of that metal and re-glue it to the end bead, and it should hold up just fine. Pretty good spin down. And what you guys know now, next one, fan 6, seems like it had the worst bearings of the bunch. It's also missing its counting number. The number wheel. This one still has a number wheel and everything, it's intact. So, but we're going on the next. This right now is Dayton fan number 5. There we go, thanks for watching.